I want to quickly show you how to embed an image into your discussion post because this is something I'm going to ask you to do several times throughout the semester. Um, so let me give you a quick tutorial. If this is the discussion assignment, you're going to scroll down and you're going to hit the reply box and you'll type your discussion reply here. My ideas, blah, 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 right? And then you can decide, maybe you want the picture to be before your ideas or after, but in any case, this is how you embed an image on Canvas. You have this toolbar up here, and you're going to look at the one that looks like a picture. It says images. Click on the arrow, and you're going to have to upload an image. And so I'm going to choose an image that I have on my computer. Um, Unsplash is a public domain set of images, which it's very helpful, but it doesn't have all the images you might want. So if you're looking for a specific image, I recommend finding it online, saving it to your computer, and then once you've done that, this will be easy. Okay, so I'm going to upload an image, clicking on that. Now I'm going to look through my computer. And let's see, I'm going to choose, let's say I've told you that I want you to post a picture of your favorite film. Um, I'm going to choose Terminator, and there it is. And then I say submit, and it should take a moment to load. Here it is. Now, if I want to change the size, and this is actually a GIF I've saved, but that's fine too. You can click on the image, you can shrink it, and you can make it bigger. And then if you have your cursor over here, hit return, and then you can type about the image down here. All right, so that's how you do that. And then I would say post reply, and that should show up just fine.